So we are using the structure here, create some designs, explore the more options we are using. So we will take a design. We are using another structure here. Let's make the changes there and again keep on editing. So there is another design. We will choose the different structures, shapes as well. Explore the more options. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.